Hello, my name is Kian and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make the McLaren Formula E car. Let's get started. So this is the border for the pullback thing. There's a lot, two of them, and a lot of stickers, one giant book, and 3 bags. So let's get started. Technic, so there's a lot of pieces. Now let's get started. We're gonna do the first motor. Camera attached. And the next motor right now. Now we're moving on to bag 2. Now we're moving on to the last bag 3. Now we're done. The car, finally. And the cool thing about this car, the pullback. Yeah, that's the cool part. And you spin this. And I think this car looks pretty cool. I like the orange and blue and the black on it. And there's a lot of stickers and stuff. So that's the end of today's video. Please like and subscribe, and the next video we're gonna make is all of the Despicable Me 4 Legos. Goodbye!